Well, good morning from Texas. It is very cold. Well, I have jobs today outside and it is raining and it is cold, and I am not going to make the same mistake that I did yesterday where my toes froze. Well, today I have on 2 pairs of socks. I have on this longer, the same one I had yesterday actually. But I have on 4 layers of upper and just my pants. I don't have long johns. I don't know why I don't have long johns, but I've got to find them. Maybe I have some in the drawer somewhere, but. And then I have on 2 layers of socks that barely fit in my boots. I will say it's rare that I work in these conditions. But today, Jessica is not going to be able to meet me. She has some things she has to take care of at home. So I'm headed to Cleveland, Texas to adjust for a lady that I've adjusted her horses before, but she just got a new horse and she wants me to check him out. They do have a covered area, but not a sheltered area. So we're going to be working in a barn, under a cover in a barn that's all open. So that's why I'm really bundled up. And then I'm going to Sherry's, a lady named Sherry's place, to see about her dog and maybe a horse. But she said, I'm not going out in the cold. I'll send my husband with you. I had another job after that, was a cow, but they canceled because the cold makes the squeeze chute not move well. And then I had another job of a horse, but she had to cancel because she got called into work. So today is 2 jobs, short video, and then Tim and I are going to dinner in Midtown Houston to meet an individual that I'm not going to tell you about yet. So, follow me along on a cold day where I'm incognito. Of course, they don't know me by the truck with the busted out window, but I'm still incognito. All right, guys, watch this. Well, I'm about to pull into the first job here in Northeast Cleveland, Texas, and it's going to be a rescue horse that she rescued, and it's a gelding. So we'll take a look at him, and I'll show you guys. All right, guys, this is a 17-year-old gelding, and his name is Buckshot, and he was basically given to her. We don't know his history, so we're just trying to figure it out. Was he a cow horse, or did he do like head horse, heel horse, team roping, something? But she is rehabbing him perfectly. So we're working on him today to make sure that he's good, and so he can lift his feet better, because the farrier could do one but not the other. And we're just making sure that he has the best potential to put on weight before, doing chiropractic before putting on weight is always a good thing. So he's a good boy. Cameras do not do justice on horses, I'm telling you, because he's fun. He's a nice horse. Whoa. Come back over. Get your butt over. There you go. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, watch. I'll set it down, and then I'll stand on it. See? Good boy. Good boy. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. It's all right. Now I'm going to move it down halfway. Whoa, whoa. And I'm just going to stand. See? But I'm not getting on you. I'm just standing next to you so I can work, because I'm short and you're tall. You're a tall boy. You get that? Okay, now I'm going to do one more and go down low. Whoa, whoa, just standing. You're okay. Just like this. And so I can get right here and do some massage for you. Good boy. It's okay to feel good. It's okay. Okay. You're okay. I gotta do a push. Come check. Come check. What am I doing to your butt? I know. Alright, gotta do a push.
Feels good, don't it? Yeah.
Okay. Woo, woo, good boy. Okay, I'm gonna check in with you, okay? Alright. That was a good boy. That's called getting adjusted, okay? You're a good boy. You did a good job, okay? Now I'm gonna check your feet in a minute because I know it feels weird when I. Oh, I'm about to check the bounce. I was just trying to, it's cold, so his muscles are cold, so I'm trying to swipe it first. So once I get over it. They're even though. That's good. Yeah. He's got some arthritis, in his minimal arthritis in his sacrum, SACRUM. So right here, it doesn't want to separate. That's a sign of a horse. Good.
You're right, top of hip by sacrum. Because I want to know what sacrum is.
Yeah, butt. Right here.
I said butt.
Butt. That's fine. Butt. Okay.
I can see him over.
Oh no. Oh no. I'm not afraid of him at all. He's really sound. He doesn't know what that new thing was, a ladder, but other than that, he's sound. And he calms himself really fast. He's got great muscles in his backside, his hamstrings.
That's that main leader that runs from top to bottom. So that's important.
Zoe and Chloe are doing a hold to China.
Okay, I'm gonna hold your tail and I'm gonna push your hip. Good.
Even so, the baby has claimed him.
Really? The
And
baby?
Yes, Kinsley has claimed him. Her
Seriously?
buckshot. Her butt. That's what I'm talking about. She ain't talking about Oreo.
What?
And
She was upgraded? She
Yes.
just gave herself an upgraded horse?
and
She
Steve's
said the
like,
baby
"Y'all
made
do-
this her horse.
Y'all do know this is my horse, right? And I told Steven, I said, them riding him will only make him better for you. So, no, he is not strictly your horse.
There's the water.
All right, Buckshot, I'm gonna do the same thing to this leg, okay? Whoa. Whoa. No, easy. Right stifle, right stifle. It's okay. It's okay. Right stifle was really hooked, but not swollen. So if it'll pop and I can move it, then it's not inflamed. Doesn't need injected, yeah. Buckshot, we're gonna do the next joint, okay? That was your stifle and your hop. Now we're gonna do your foot, okay? Up. Up. Good. Ooh. I got it. Easy. Okay, now come forward into the next one. Easy, easy, whoa. Right there. Hold, Buckshot. Hold. Hold. Good. expression. He really likes this stretch a lot. I think that's because his low back has that tightness in it. You know, that arthritis I was saying? Let's see if he'll come up a little higher. Hold. Hold. Hold it. Oh, wait. Good. Down. Good. Good boy. Okay, go down. 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 Good. Now we're going to go right. Slow and easy because you've got some arthritis, okay? Good boy. Alright, now the other side. Slow and easy. Good boy. Good boy. Alright, that's really good. His reflexes are all present. So he's got a good rise and it just popped. Can't say where, but that was maybe here in the low back. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, checking for ribs out of place. So let's go ahead and clear all the way down before I do any kind of adjustments there. Okay, I'm gonna clear the legs, so up. Come on. Good. Sitting wrong.
It's like, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I love the thank yous. All right. So that was left knee, left elbow. Now we're gonna do the front. So come on. Up. Up. Okay, here. I'm gonna ask you to hold straight. Okay, go straight. Good boy. Use me as your vessel. It's okay. Right, go straight. Good boy. Okay, now let this shoulder relax. Turn your head to the right. Good. Shoulder. Left shoulder. I'm going to give you a minute, okay? Because I think that shoulder's been bothering you for a minute. Yeah, it has. Relax your body. Let it go. Good boy. Good boy. Set. Down. Down.
It's okay. Not too far. You can turn your head and see her. You can get back up and see.
I wore this shirt to the other barn. There's
Got it.
oh, elbow. Yeah, all that just released. Okay, go forward. Low to the ground. So, low.
Just popped his heel.
Okay, I'm gonna hold you. I'm gonna hold you, and I'm gonna stretch you. You go to the left. How is that? Is that amazing? You like that one? You did. You did. You like that? Yeah, good boy. It's okay to release. It's okay to feel good. Whoever that other guy was that wouldn't let you feel good and do all that, it's okay. You don't have to work-minded all the time. This is a lady. It's okay. He's not supposed to do that. He's not supposed to show. You know, like
He's a manly man, huh?
the horses in Amarillo, Boys Ranch, that do all the work. They don't lick, they don't chew. They're always in. My dad's watching. You know. Yeah, I know. But once you move your body, you'll feel a lot better. You'll feel a lot better. Yeah, you'll feel better. Alright. Now, I'm going to check your shoulder blades again and see if adjusting your legs helps your middle back, okay? So tell me here. Better? Okay. That painful at all? No? Okay. I'm gonna come up from back here and release tension in your neck ligament called the nuchal. All the way. Massaging it, finding the spots that bother you. Yeah. No scarring until we get here. Do a pull on the lot. Good. Down. What is that? He said what? I know. I learned it in school. I know. It's like, do it again. I swear. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, do it again. Do it again. Yeah, okay. All right, watch. Yeah, it's jammed, Rhonda. Do you see it? That's as far as he can go. All right, check up. Can you go up? Oh, we can't go up either. He's been in pain so long, he's expecting that to hurt. Whether it does or it doesn't. Well, all right, we adjusted Buckshot and everything went really great. She was wanting me to adjust him to be able to know if he was ready to be ridden and what kind of body he had. She said, I trust you more than I trust the vet as far as touching all the joints and just giving her my opinion. Ambulance. I did let her know that she needed to talk to the vet about a lot of things just to make sure we're on the same page. And I'm headed to the next job, which is 6 minutes away. Stopped at the gas station to go to the restroom, and I'm headed there. My hair is quite staticky today. And we're going to go see Tex and a horse that we haven't seen before. She said she wanted me to look at him. Wasn't sure if he needed an adjustment or not, but she wanted my opinion. So this is the last stop for today. So easy peasy, and then we'll be back home. So is it getting cold where you guys are? Let me know how cold. What's the coldest that you've gotten to so far? Like, leave a comment. Let me know, because how do you deal with the cold? Lots of layers for us. But I just want to know, how cold is the coldest that it's gotten where you live, and what are your tips to staying warm? All right, thank you. Our place is a lot more remote. I mean, it all is remote, but I'm going to go down some twists and turns, and leaves are all starting to turn now that we're getting colder. So, almost there. All right, we're going to see about a horse. I gotta hold on, because I don't want to fly out. So the horse is in the back of the property, and it's quite far. Nobody wants to walk when it's 40 degrees outside. Oh, look at that. Nice bounce. We're going back there. There's 2 horses. We're going to take a look at one of them. See what we can find out. Stay tuned. All right. Well, we got some barn kitties. kitty. You have your little tower here. Are you staying warm? Come here, kitty. Is the kitty feral? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, the kitty's feral. Oh. So we can take a look at them. They're both older. Alright, here they come. Alright, well, we took a look and it's not chiropractic, so just gonna change some things with the food and the lady will be doing good. So that's it for here. Get out of the cold. Cattle guard, jumping over. Whoop. Now we're going back to see the dog. And y'all have seen him before. His name is Tex. We're gonna go check out Tex and see how he's doing. Cows are watching us at a distance. Oh yeah. As long as animals have food in their belly, they'll keep them warm. They don't really need any human intervention. So throw out some round bells and they're good. Alright. Hey Tex. So Tex just got up. You know, you're a little stiff when you wake up in the morning. Hey Tex. You stiff today, buddy? Oh, the good boy. Oh, I'm so happy to see you. Oh, yeah, you give me love? You good boy. All right, let's see how your body's doing today. You're a good boy. Well, your weight's still looking good. Yeah? You're a good boy. All right. Yeah, just like that. Okay. I see. Don't do that. Hold on. Hold on. Good. All right, let me see this one. Ready? Let me see this one. You gotta get on your bottom. You gotta get on your bottom so I can see. Hold. Good. Shoulders good. Elbows good. Ankles good. Good. You're such a good dog. You're such a good dog. Okay. All right. Good boy. Good boy. Turn the other way. Good. Good dog. When I touch your tail, that you start feeling it, huh? Yeah. All right, you stand up. You stand up. I check your pelvis. Good. Okay. I'm gonna stretch your tail. Good. All right, check your tail. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Don't leave. Don't leave. Okay, check this leg. Ready? Good, movement. Good. This leg. Stretch. Good, hip. Good, ankle. Oh, that was out of place. Check your foot. Toes. Good. Okay. His low back is out of place on the right. Okay, I'm gonna hold you, okay? Yeah. Okay, move it around. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, what you see? Huh? What you see? Okay, now shake. What do you see? You see your dad? What do you see? All right. You always don't stretch. You didn't stretch last time.
Yeah, it just took him a long time.
Yeah. All right. Move it around, move it around. Shake it, 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 shake it. Tex. Tex. Oh. You gonna shake? Huh? Big boy?
Didn't he shake after the camera
Yes.
went off last time?
Yeah. Adjusted Tex, and then he shook after we stopped the camera. So he's doing good. He's moving good. The only thing, he's still a little itchy. So, all right, we're all done here with Tex, and I'm gonna show you what he's doing now. You feel better? Oh, he's yawning. Oh, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. He likes the cold. Me, not so much. Not so much.
Feeling better.
Alrighty guys, well that was one horse adjusted named Buckshot and one dog named Tex. So I'm headed home now and finished. It's only 1:20 p.m. on a Saturday, and Tim and I have a dinner this evening in Midtown Houston, kind of like a pseudo date. We're meeting a guy and his wife, and we're gonna have a Mexican Tex-Mex dinner with them. So it's nice to get off early sometimes, and sometimes nice to just for me to get out and do a couple jobs and go home. It doesn't have to be really busy. I will say that I miss the company of Jessica and talking to her, because we do have fun together. But all in all, it was a really good day. And I know this is a short video. Sometimes the shorts are good and the longs are good too. So I hope you enjoyed watching a horse named Buckshot get his first adjustment and a dog named Tex get adjusted. And I'll see you guys next time. Remember to subscribe and like the video. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for all of your comments and your support on my journey with Animal Ranch Care with Dr. Lauren. I'll see you guys next time. God bless.